Hi, this is Surbhi Creates. Do you know that there are some types of art that can actually help you to relax? Have you ever heard of the word mandala? In this video, I'm going to explain a few interesting facts and stories about mandala while drawing it at the same time. Drawing a mandala is a powerful way to help your mind relax. Other than helping you to relax, there are many other benefits of drawing a mandala. Do you want to know all of them? Then watch this video till the end and let me know if I have missed something. And before we begin, let me tell you something. This video is not just about making mandala, it's more about linking art to life and looking at art as a healer. So let's start making a mandala. In this video, I'll use my gel pen to make a mandala. So let's start with a small introduction. Making mandalas started in parts of Asia and now they are popular throughout the world. The most popular form of the mandala art that is seen today is the dream catcher. In this video, you can clearly see the dream catcher. I know that most of us are familiar with dream catchers, but if you are unaware of this term, let me explain it for you. A dream catcher is a handmade willow hoop on which is a woven net or web, according to Wikipedia. They are used as a means to protect a sleeping individual from nightmares. Mandala, the Sanskrit word for circle, is a geometric pattern which is a ritual symbol in Asian culture. Apart from the Asian culture, mandala drawing is also found in sand paintings by North American Indians. So it was a lot of information. But how does drawing a mandala benefit you? Mandala helps a person to restore inner peace and wisdom. When we draw a mandala, we get connected to our deeper thoughts. They are also believed to form a connection between our inner world and outer reality. A Swiss psychiatrist named Carl G. Jung discovered that creating mandalas can help patients who are experiencing uncontrolled and confusing psychological states. He made this discovery by observing how his mandala drawing and choice of colors changed according to his emotional and mental state. His discovery proved that making mandalas was a tool for self-expression, self-discovery, and healing. So there are many benefits of creating mandala. The first one is it helps the body and mind to relax. The second is it cultivates the feeling of happiness, inner peace and general well-being. And the third is it can be used as an instrument of meditation to restore the wisdom within yourself. If you think making mandala is only for artists who are really skilled, then let me tell you something. Mandala is for everyone. If you find drawing a mandala difficult, there are many books available for coloring mandalas. In these kinds of books, you only have to color the mandalas already drawn in them. Children as well as adults in different parts of the world do the exercise of coloring mandala for fun, for stress relief, and other reasons. I will not color this mandala, but if you decide to color your mandala, you need to know something. The kind of colors that you use for coloring mandalas has a lot to explain about your feelings and your inner self. Coloring mandalas give a highly enriching personal experience. If you don't consider it a kind of therapy, you can just do it for fun. Enjoy filling the colors of your choice and experience the geometric pattern, helping you to relax. Mandala, which was mainly a symbol of prayer and instrument for meditation, has evolved now. People enjoy making mandalas for decorating their homes. Mandalas are being printed on t-shirts, coffee mugs, cushions, and many other things. You can also try making a mandala, and if that seems difficult, you can try a mandala coloring book. You can see that my mandala is now complete. It has many details in it, and so you need time to complete this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know if you know some different facts about mandala. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.